Good morning students. Today we are going to start 7th chapter in the social science and the title of this chapter is The Land of Snow. 1 minute. The land of snow, it sounds like polar region because we can find snow near poles. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. Around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. And the Arctic Ocean is surrounded by the three continents called Asia, Europe and North America. Here we can find Greenland also. Eric the Red, yes, he was the famous explorer. Eric the Red spent 3 years exploring this island. He named it Greenland. In this chapter, we will learn about the Greenland. All information about this land of snow like location, climate, vegetation, wildlife, life of the people, their occupation and their cities, etc. So let's start the chapter. Greenland, the world's largest island, is situated near the North Pole. This country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. The original inhabitants of Greenland are the Inuits. Original inhabitants means the local people. These people are of Greenland are the Inuits, or we can say Eskimos. They call their country Kalalit Nunaat, which means land of the people. Now location. See in this map, the Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. More than 2/3 of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern island of Canada. And Greenland is a part of Denmark. Now land. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. The average thickness of the ice sheet is about 1500 meters. The lower layers of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. And huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheet and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. These blocks of ice look like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea. These are often not visible due to thick fog. And icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. Now climate. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. The winters are long and cold. The sun does not rise for several weeks. The temperature drops below the freezing point and it snows heavily. Extremely cold and chilly winds blow here. And summer is short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. Even though there is continuous sunlight for several weeks, it is still very cold. Now, vegetation. Seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season. The only plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. Some flowers bloom in the spring season. Both summer and spring are very short in Greenland. There are no forests here and no crops can grow here due to the cold climate. Now wildlife. Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand extreme cold can survive in Greenland. Many kinds of animals are found here like polar bear, Arctic fox, musk ox, huskies, etc. Wolf-like dogs called huskies are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. Other kind of animals are also found like seal, whale, birds like white-tailed eagle, etc. Now, life of the people. The Inuits, also called Eskimos, came to Greenland from North America and settled here many years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to the harsh climate. The Inuits are short and stout, and they have flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. In winter season, they wear clothes made from the skins of seals. Their jackets are called parkas, have hoods to cover their heads, and they generally wear double trousers and high boots, also made of seal skin, to keep themselves warm. And in summer and in spring season, they wear colorful woolens. Now, the people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos during the winter season. They use large blocks of ice to construct them. The igloos are dome shaped, and a hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. The floor is covered with the skins and furs of animals. During summer, people live in the tents made of animal hide, and these are called tow pigs. And in recent years, people have started living in modern houses. The Inuits are hardworking and cheerful and hospitable people. For hundreds of years, they lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during summer and spring. In the past, they got most of the things they needed by hunting animals, but nowadays they can buy goods brought in from other countries. And Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They hunt animals for their meat, skin, and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons to hunt animals. Now, they use automatic rifles. On land, Inuits use sledges. The lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in recent time. Now they use motorboats and motorized sledges. The Inuits use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. The broader boat called omak is used to hunt whales. And these boats are also used for transportation. Thick sheet of ice has restricted settlements to the coastal areas. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Nuuk, that is Godthab, is the capital and the largest city in Greenland. Sisimiut and Ilulissat are the other big cities. Many people also work in mines and oil fields. A large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities, and the total population of Greenland is about 56,000. Now that's all in this chapter about Greenland. Thank you.